Hey there techies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will explore the mysterious and interesting world of internet. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the surface level websites and we all know and use every day? Today we will be delving into the difference between surface websites, deep web and dark web. We will be taking a close look at what these terms mean, how they differ from each other, and why it's important to understand the difference between them. And get ready to uncover some of the internet's best kept secrets. Let's start with the surface websites. Well, the surface web, also known as visible web, is part of World Wide Web that can be accessed using standard search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. These includes all websites that are indexed by search engines and can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection and a web browser, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, any browser. Well, these websites can be easily found through traditional search engines with queries and typically contain information that is intended for public consumption, such as news, articles, blogs, product pages, and business websites. And social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, online shopping sites like Amazon and eBay, and news sites like CNN and BBC are all examples of the websites that are the part of surface level web. The surface web is vast and continuously growing, with millions of websites being added every day. While it is the most accessible part of web, it only represents a small fraction of the total size of internet. The majority of internet is actually comprised of deep web and dark web, which are not accessible through standard searches and require special tools to access this. Now let's see what is deep web. Well, deep web is the term used to describe internet content that is not indexed by search engines and therefore not easily accessed through typical web browsing method. This includes content that is behind password protection areas such as online banking, email accounts, as well as content that is stored in database and cannot be accessed by a web crawler. Unlike the surface web, which requires specific permissions to access its content, it makes it prime location of private and sensitive information such as medical records, legal documents, and research papers. While deep web can be used for legitimate purpose, it can also be a breeding ground for illegal activities due to its anonymity and lack of oversight. For example, the darknet, which is a subset of deep web, is known for the hosting illegal marketplaces such as Silk Road. Overall, the deep web is complex and often misunderstood part of internet that requires special knowledge and tools to access and navigate. Well, if we talk about the dark web refers to a portion of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and can be only accessed through specific softwares and configurations such as Tor browser. It is often associated with illegal activities and illegal marketplaces, but it also includes private and encrypted communication channels as well that is used by individual and organization for legitimate reasons as well, such as protecting their online privacy and freedom of speech as well. Well, the anonymity provided by the dark web has attracted various types of criminals as well, including hackers, drug dealers, and human trafficking, making it a hub of illegal activities. However, it's important to note that not everything on the dark web is illegal, and also legitimate uses for the anonymity it's provided. And that concludes our exploration of surface web, deep web, and dark web. We hope you have gained a better understanding of what these terms mean and how they differ from each other, and why it's important to be aware for the difference between them. While the internet can be a fascinating and powerful tool, and it's also important to be mindful of the risks and dangers associated with accessing certain part of it. As always, stay safe and informed. Well, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then share it with your friend and hit the like button below and subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Till the time, goodbye. See you next time. MrNoOne.